Hi, in this video, we will learn how to install WordPress locally. Now, what do I mean by locally? By locally, I mean installing the WordPress CMS software onto your laptop or your desktop. So, WordPress will be saved in your system. But why does one need to install WordPress locally? Basically, if you were to create any website, you would need a server or a hosting and a domain. Initially, when you're starting fresh, I suggest you don't spend money into buying a domain or a server. My suggestion is you install WordPress locally, you learn, you make mistakes, you learn again from your mistakes, and then once you're confident and once you're in a position where you can create an entire website on your own, you can simply buy a domain, a server, and then import the website that has been created locally onto the server. Now, in order to install WordPress locally, we first need to install a software that is called as Bitnami. So first, I want you to go to bitnami.com, and on the home page, you will find WordPress icon. Simply click the icon. Once you land on this page, simply click the Windows, Mac or Linux option, and on scrolling down, you will find download for Windows option. If you're using a Mac, I suggest you click this option, and if you're using a Linux operating system, then you will certainly click on this button. Because I'm using Windows, I'll go ahead and click the first button which says download for Windows. It will then give you a pop-up asking you to log in using your Gmail or Facebook account. If you look closely, there's one more option at the bottom which says no thanks. Just take me to the download. Click this link, and as you can see, the software is getting downloaded. Now, once the installation is complete, you will see a tiny pop-up. All you have to do is install the Bitnami software. So this is how you do it. Hit the OK button. Simply keep on clicking the yes option, then the next button. You will arrive at this pop-up. Now this pop-up is very important as these include our preferred login credentials. So put them wisely, something that you can easily remember. So put in your name over here, put in your email ID over here, your username and your preferred password. Hit the next button. You can name your blog anything as you want. Hit the next button. And that's it. All you have to do is hit the next button again. And this will install Bitnami onto your website. Now this might take some time and it also depends on your system configuration. Once you have successfully installed Bitnami and WordPress, this is what you'll see in front of you. Click the finish button. On doing so, you will arrive on this page which says over here access WordPress. All you have to do is click access WordPress link. There you go. This is your WordPress website that is installed on your PC. Now, if you were to access the backend of the website, simply type in over here wp-admin, and this will take you to the login screen where you enter your username and the credentials that you had entered while installing the software. That's it. We are now logged into the backend of our website. This is where the magic happens. And if you simply right click over here and click the open link in new tab button, you will find the front end of the website which will be visible to the website visitors or to the users. So this is the backend and this is the front end. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.